I'm in a copper mining district and I'm exploring some of the shelf roads that are here. And it came into this one section. You can see all the copper over there. That's not that deep, but they pulled a lot of copper out of that. I've already checked out that one. That wasn't that deep either. But when I was coming down here, that caught my interest because that just looks neat. And then it looks like there's some track over there, so we'll be checking that out. It's interesting is this mountain range I'm in, copper. The mountain range over there, gold. Just geology interests me so a lot on how that happens. Yeah, those probably don't go deep either, but we'll still check them out. Yeah, the copper in this district is very shallow. Now, it's usually exposed right on the surface, and you don't have to go deep to extract it. It plays out very quick. Another little pocket. I don't know if it was actually worked that way or there was something there at one time. Okay, I gotta go down. Yeah, there's even one up there. I wonder if it intersects. Alrighty, lights on. Oh, that pack rat nest. Oh. I'm amazed at how slow these passages are. Wow. Well, that's the end. So it looks like the added above does intersect into this one. Because I haven't seen a stope or anything, but here's a chute. And I think it's plugged because there is absolutely no airflow in here. Okay, best way down. Ooh, that is no longer in the ground. That's a big bird's nest in there. That goes down a little ways. And that's it. So I gotta mark this one for return. And a bolt. Now, I am going to go poke around some more, and if I come across anything large or cool, I'll go ahead and start a new video for that. If this gets you excited to do some exploring on your own, do it. Have fun, be safe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.